everybody, I've got Evan here in the shop, and he's playing his Fender Pro-JR clone, right?
No, it's a real Pro-JR.
Well, yeah, it's a real
Well,
one,
it's a
yeah.
clone,
He's
yeah.
got circus boards, though.
Yeah. It is a
Okay,
clone.
so, anyways, brought here because they had a problem, and as you guys know, problems never act up at the shop, and this one didn't. It's working perfect. So Evan's going to give you a little show here. Go ahead, man.
Play a little bit on it.
You're my kind of guy, though, because I love the Beatles, man.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
I can play that one in a minute.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, then like
Awesome.
oh yeah.
There you go.
I'm an old school guy.
The classic.
So you like that telly?
Oh, yeah.
Really
Yeah.
light. It's real light.
Yeah, I play it on a Strat usually, and this is crazy how
Yeah.
much lighter this feels on it. Yeah.
So have you been on YouTube before?
No, I don't think so.
Well, now's your time.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
Get a channel. You can make like $5 a month like I do.
Hey, you do that for enough times, I'd get my own telly,
That's
you
right,
know?
man.
It's so bright.
Yeah.
It's nice.
That's right.
Yeah, you can do like some.
Yeah, I sure don't hear anything wrong with this.
No, it sounds great.
Yeah.